subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new 5G phone under A series in Japan called Galaxy A23, and it is completely different from the global variant that was launched back in September this year. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the smartphone. The new Galaxy A23 5G supports a 5.8-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a single 50-megapixel main camera with a 1.8 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A23 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 12 based on One UI 4.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 150 by 71 by 9mm, and it weighs around 168 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Galaxy A23 5G has been priced in Japan at 32,800 Japanese yen, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black, white, and red color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A23 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.